Hi guys, in this video we're going to go through different monetization options and ways that you can actually make a lot of money on TikTok. Let's jump right into it. Let's launch the TikTok app first. Then I want you to click on the lower right corner over here on your profile picture. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the three straight lines on the top right. Then I want you to click on the first option, which is Creator Tools. This is where the magic happens. So as you can see over here, there is a second bar that is focused on monetization. Let's see what is available for us. First thing that we want to focus is Creator Marketplace. So essentially you sign up over here and you are going to be getting a lot of paid sponsorships. So there are people out there who are running brands, who are running, drop shipping, own handcrafted jewelries, or anything related to products, right? So these people might reach out to you when they see that you're part of the program, and they're gonna offer you, let's say, 300, 500, $1,000 for you to make a video with their own products. If you click on the eligibility, you will see that the requirements over here are not so crazy, right? So we have to be at least 18 years of age. You should have at least 10,000 followers. They highlight real followers. I don't know how TikTok actually measures whose followers are real and who isn't. You should have posted at least 3 videos or more in the last 30 days, and you should have 1,000 real video views or more in the last 30 days. This is simply in relation towards bots. No one wants to have a bots that just created their account. They purchase, the followers, they purchase the views. This is why they estimate that the followings and the views should appear at least for the last 30 days. So this is pretty lucrative. I have a second channel that is actually part of this and part of the creativity program beta. I received a couple of offers, but unfortunately none of these merchants were actually serious. They send an offer, I accept the offer, and they never send me the products. I don't know what actually happened, but you can definitely look into this and sign up if you actually qualify and meet all the requirements. The second option is very similar to Patreon. This is where people essentially gives you a small contributions on a monthly basis. So they subscribe to your account and they support your channel. You give them perks, right? You give them a special live access, you give them special tips, extra content, so on and so forth. So TikTok usually estimates based on how many views you have, how many subscribers you have, what are the potential estimates, how much money you could make. As you can see over here in my example with my account, I could have make around $100,000 a month just by doing live streams. Now you understand why so many people are doing live streams on TikTok, right? Obviously it's very, very lucrative. The next option is, of course, creativity program beta. This is where, in my opinion, 90% of the people are actually making money on the platform. On my second channel, I used to make easily between 100 to 250 or $300 a day. The problem with this program is that after a lot of people join, people speculate that TikTok is simply running out of money, cannot pay everyone what they actually earn. So a lot of videos turn to be not eligible for the program. So I had a bunch of a million views videos, and they were simply not eligible. TikTok disqualified them from the program, and I believe a lot of people experience these issues. But furthermore, everyone has a different experience. You can definitely give it a go, give it a chance. This is, in my opinion, the easiest way, because in any other circumstance, right, you need to be very creative to be live streaming every single day, very engaging. It takes a lot of time and preparations. With the brand deals, again, you gotta be kind of lucky to get brand that is liking the content and have product to offer. With this one, you just if you're eligible, you just apply and you're in. TikTok shop for creators. Well, guys, this is where essentially you can set up your own shop and sell your own products. The idea over here is that you can generate an affiliates, right? You can share products that you love directly with your viewers. You've seen that a lot of people are saying or starting the video with, oh, look at this tool, I've been looking for that quite some time, now it's back in stock. Sales pitching you to buy something. I don't know how lucrative this is. I haven't seen people making videos, how much money they make through this. So I assume that the earnings are very little, at least for now. In the future might go up, and as you can see, the criteria to be eligible here is much lower, like half lower. We're talking about only 5,000 followers. So you get the idea that the lower the hanging fruit is, probably the less money are to be made. This is why the requirements for the biggest money are around 100,000 followers. You're gonna see later on. So if you look at the next one, TikTok shop for sellers. So essentially here you create your own store, okay? You have your own, products, and you sell these products to your followers. It's much better in my opinion if you have a large audience, because it's much easier for you to make a sale because people know you. You don't have to, tell the story. People already know you, they follow you, they watch your videos. So you can make, in my opinion, much more money over here. The next option is the video gifts. I believe this is the sweetest deal over here. The video gifts essentially like a tips while people watching your videos, and you will see why this is the sweetest, because really they ask you to have again 10,000 followers, but you can simply make your favorite content and got tipped for it, right? You don't have to participate in the program. You don't have to wait for TikTok to make your videos eligible for the program. You just make your regular content, and people love it, and people give you tips. Just think about, you have 1 million views, you got 1% of these people to give you tips. Just do the math. It's a very good money. And I haven't experienced or heard anyone making money with work with artists, so we're not gonna go through this. And the last option is the actual tips, and this is where obviously is the cherry on top, because they ask you to have 100,000 followers. So understand, like I mentioned, the highest hanging fruit is probably the most lucrative one. This is why they put this as a requirement to have 100,000 followers. This is obviously set for absolutely top creators. So this is what a lot of people probably want to do. $10,000 a view in tips. I think it's easy job. And take another $100,000 a month from live streams, and this is where a lot of money are being made, guys. But this is the quick run over and explanation how you can make money on TikTok, guys. Full detailed tutorial gave you with my own experience in some of these categories. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you've seen a lot of other videos I've made. I've broken down how to make money on Pinterest, how to make money on Instagram and Facebook, and Twitter as well. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.